Alright guys, apparently yesterday I was so as you can see, this finger here is bandaged up, and the reason being is because yesterday we're doing a construction work yesterday. 'Cause yesterday was my day off, so I decided to give my mother a hand, and with the process I got injured. So what happened is the hammer hit my finger while I was nailing the nail into the wood. You know what I mean? So the dressing that you see in my finger, the thing is my daughter was the one who actually did it. You know what I mean? But my sister, which is a nurse, is going to remove the bandage and redress it for me. You know what I mean? I can move the finger, but it's just that the finger, I'll show you what it looks like. You know what I mean? So let's keep on tuning in. Alright, so she's trying to find the stick, the tape. Yeah, so she's removing the tape from my finger. I take a time on my rope, man. Jesus.
Guys, bear in mind that this is not done under sterile conditions. It's just a little clean up and wrap up.
Alright guys, so look on my finger guys. This is what it looks like. Look, let me make it more visible. Look at my finger. I get damaged within the process of trying to assist my mother doing some construction work. But that's just how it is. You know what I mean? There's no work that you're gonna do where you don't sustain some kind of damage. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's not really hurting, but I'm just here to get a dressing. Get the finger dressed up. So my sister is going to. What are you doing with this?
Alright, so we're cleaning with betadine and normalcy.
Okay. Now guys, my sister, she's a nurse. And I'm telling you, I'm so proud of her guys. I'm so proud of her. That's my mother in the background. Yes, she's the wash belly. Now when I say wash belly, she's the last one of 5 siblings, you know what I mean? And she's a nurse. So really, man, tell us I'm proud of her, guys. So proud, man. Tell us, say, yo, do I'm proud, guys. Words cannot explain. Yeah, man, near and kick up.
Pick up in that ear.
I mean, I don't know how that happened, but it just happened. In fact, I saw cement, that is cement very
So
one
it
day.
takes so long. Oh, it's so hard. You can't come out.
Clean up.
And then clean that door, when I clean that for me. So when I use the tweezers and clean with the nail area.
Nah, come on. You add up my finger. I don't know. Does it hurt?
No, it not really hurt right now, but just when I hit the finger, I tell her, say, yo, I have to drop the hammer. Take time. Oi. It's too rough, man. I said, need the patience for my work. It's so rough. Jesus. I'm just gonna rub some sort of cream on the finger. What is this cream for? What is this cream for?
This is Bactrim antibiotic.
Okay. Antibiotic cream. I don't know, for some reason I feel like it'll burn.
That's good.
Burn is good.
Sensation, so that means everything.
Would you like to feel pain? I don't like feeling pain.
Better you feel pain than I feel if you never got feel you would have to show
Oh, so you're gonna strap it up now? Alright, so strap it up. Alright.
Not too tight.
Yeah. You know, when I go to work, everybody's gonna ask what's wrong with your finger. Come to your finger. But that's just how it is, I think, you know. I remember when I was painting my house and the bucket of paint fell from me and hit the floor. I almost hit my toe. And the paint was all over the place. Trust me. So no matter this accident do happen. You know what I mean? No matter how you try to avoid it happen. Alright. Okay, so you're gonna extra wrap the finger. Okay, thanks to you, my baby sister. Now, my baby sister, she's the one who actually was with me in the kitchen when I was baking the Christmas cake. For those who probably remember and who don't know, if you want to see her, check out my video when I baked my Christmas cake of last year, December. Alright? She was one that was in the kitchen with me. Alright guys, so there it is. My finger is properly dressed and that is a wrap. Thanks for watching.